Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 4 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after we stop using our watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, tap on the display option. And here we have the option called screen on duration. Tap on it. And here we have the list of durations we can select. Basically we have from 5 to 30 seconds. Select the duration you like to use. For example, 15 seconds by tapping on it, then tapping on the check mark. And now we can press the side button to go back to watch face. And now I selected the 15 seconds, so the screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of an activity. So let's wait a couple more seconds and it should turn off right about now. Yeah, okay. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.